Breastfeeding is often described as beautiful and natural. But what if I told you there's a lot more to the story that no one really talks about? Many new moms expect breastfeeding to come easily, but the reality? It can be challenging, emotional, and sometimes downright exhausting. But don't worry, you're not alone. And I'm here to give you the real truth about breastfeeding, so you know exactly what to expect. Before we begin, drop a comment below. What's been your biggest surprise about breastfeeding? Let's share and support each other. Many people assume that because breastfeeding is natural, it should come easily. But the truth is, for many moms, it doesn't. Latching can be tricky, and many babies struggle to find the right position. Some moms experience pain, cracked nipples, or engorgement in the first few weeks. Learning to breastfeed takes practice, for both you and your baby. Pro tip: if you're struggling, don't wait to get help. A lactation consultant can make a huge difference in your breastfeeding journey. Here's something most moms aren't told. Your milk doesn't come in immediately after birth. In the first few days, your body produces colostrum, a thick, nutrient-rich first milk. Your mature milk usually comes in around day 3 to 5 postpartum. It's normal to worry about low supply at first, but frequent nursing helps stimulate production. Pro tip: nurse every 2 to 3 hours, even if it feels like your baby isn't getting much. Your body is learning what your baby needs. Many moms expect some discomfort when they start breastfeeding, but pain isn't normal, and it's usually a sign that something needs adjusting. A poor latch is the #1 cause of pain. Your baby should be covering most of the areola, not just the nipple. Engorgement, clogged ducts, and mastitis can also make breastfeeding painful. Solutions exist. From warm compresses to better positioning, small changes can make a big difference. Pro tip: if it hurts, don't tough it out. Adjust the latch or get professional help before it gets worse. Truth number 4, breastfeeding is exhausting, physically and emotionally. Breastfeeding isn't just feeding your baby. It's a 24/7 job that can leave you feeling drained in more ways than one. Cluster feeding is real. Some nights, it feels like your baby is attached to you nonstop. Hormones can make you extra emotional. Some moms feel elated, while others feel overwhelmed. You might lose sleep, skip meals, or feel touched out. And that's okay. Pro tip: stay hydrated, eat nutritious snacks, and don't be afraid to take breaks. Your well-being matters too. Truth number 5, it's okay to supplement if you need to. Breastfeeding pressure is real, and many moms feel guilty about supplementing. But here's the truth: fed is best. Some moms combine breastfeeding and formula, and that's completely okay. If your baby isn't gaining enough weight, a little supplementation can help. Your breastfeeding journey is unique. Do what works for you and your baby. Pro tip: if you're supplementing but want to keep breastfeeding, pump every time your baby gets a bottle to maintain your milk supply. Bonus truth: breastfeeding is a learning process. Give yourself grace. Here's the biggest truth of all: breastfeeding is a journey, and no one gets it perfect from day one. Every mom and baby are different. What works for one may not work for another. Be patient with yourself. It's okay to struggle, learn, and even change your approach. You're doing an amazing job, no matter how you feed your baby. Pro tip: find a support system. Whether it's a lactation consultant, a mom group, or a trusted friend, having support makes all the difference. Let's quickly recap the biggest breastfeeding truths no one tells you. Which of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert baby feeding and parenting tips. Thanks for watching.